No light in my apartment because of blasted Putin. Still I have sun outside, my camera is still functioning, and I'm going to record the second part for you of the video called How to Make Your Voice Louder. In the previous video I showed you an exercise like this. Oi, 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 oi! If you haven't watched it, watch it at Dnipro Hill's channel, on Dnipro Hill's Instagram page, wherever. And now I will explain to you a bit more about the theory of loud voice and show you one more exercise. So watch to the end. If you want to speak louder, basically you need to do three things. I'm going to show you now. If you pronounce the word hello, there are three levels that I'm going to show. Hello. 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 And maybe you can see what is changing. So three things are changing. First, I open my mouth more. If I say hello, it's okay not to open your mouth very wide. But if I say hello, I need to open my mouth widely, more widely, wider. And I need to open it here, the gorge here, this part. It's like yawning, oh, a bit, oh, 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 oh. So I open it also inside here. I open my mouth, I open my gorge, more, a bit more. Don't do it phonetically, don't do it a lot, too much. Also, I show more energy. Hello, hello. So I want to say it more. I have more emotion. This is the second thing. And the third thing is you should have a higher pitch, higher tone. Like hello, hello, hello. I'm raising my tone. The frequency of this voice will be higher. So you should raise the tone of your speaking, not singing. Sometimes singing too. I would have shown you on my synthesizer, but it doesn't function because we don't have lights. So just believe me. And how you can train this? You can train this using vowels. O, A, E, etc. For example, take O. 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 You should watch your larynx here. It should not get strained. It should be relaxed all the time. If your larynx, you feel it's getting strained, you are doing it wrong. So your larynx, relax it. Open your mouth more, higher pitch and more energy. O. 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 It's better if you feel something when you do it. For example, think about persuasiveness. Think about maybe some surprise, some emotion, some situation from your life. It should be natural. Ah. 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 Eh. 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 There are 6 vowels you can use for training. E, I, U. I. 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 A. O. 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 It's like a ladder. So each time you do it higher, you do it louder, you do it with more energy, and you open your mouth more. You can train like this. Remember that if you need to speak louder, you should do these 3 things. Open your mouth, better diction, open it inside too, in the gorge. Second, more energy. Third, higher pitch. There is one more thing. You can help with your stomach, with the muscles of your belly. Abdominal muscles. This is how they're called. Your abdominal muscles should be working when you pronounce sounds. But when you pronounce a higher pitch sound, your abdominal muscles get a little bit more strained. So feel this moment too. We can call this a force element. So guys, do this exercise. Write in the comment how you managed to do it. Maybe you have questions. Or feel free also to write me a personal message if you need help. Take care. Good luck with your speech and good luck with your loud voice.